Bobby Stewart, the tournament director of the 2024 Mayberry Superstars of Port Antonio Marlin tournament.
Yeah, Bobby, 7th year, 8 boats. Tell us about it.
This is the smallest one we've run. Since Wednesday last week, today is Wednesday, and for the last 7 or 8 days, there's been a lot of weather forecasts about the impending hurricane that was developing. A lot of uncertainty, so a lot of the boats, especially the boats from overseas, were just not sure when they could make the run and when the storm was going to happen. So as it happens now, the storm has formed. It's going out to the Gulf, and some of the boats that really wanted to be here just couldn't make it because the weather degraded for them. And but with 8 boats, we are still going to have a great time. The fish are out there, and we're going to enjoy it.
Your defending champion is back. I think they're from Cayman.
Yes, and they're going to have a good time. They've flown in to charter a boat locally so that they won't miss the event.
That must be great for you, Bobby. How you feel about that commitment?
I feel good. I feel bad for the ones that couldn't make it. There's another 4 or 5 teams in Cayman crying right now because they couldn't make it. And we have friends in Moby and in Kingston that also, because of the weather, they weren't sure.
And the tournament ends on Saturday?
Saturday now, yeah. So this year we're fishing Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Tell us a little about the prizes.
So the prizes, we have about $330,000 worth of potential cash and prizes. There's a cash component for the top prizes, as well as 3 $100,000 US prizes for record fish. So there's 100,000 US for a record-sized marlin, there's a record-sized yellowfin tuna, and a record-sized sailfish. So those if we bring in any of those records, we're going to have a big payout.
All right, thank you very much, Bobby, and all the best, and the commitment of your team in order to get this going despite the weather condition.
I didn't have to do much. Everybody did the work for me.
Yeah, we expect a lot of fish to be caught.
I think so. We're in a good phase of the moon. One of the boats was out a few days ago and released 5 marlin. So it's looking good.
Thanks again, Bobby.